I'm Charunasa and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to shopping center which is for home appliances, kitchen appliances and home decor. I know it's a little far, but you know what? It's worth it. So I'll meet you down there. Well, as you guys can see, I have reached Ikea. Now let's get inside. I'm at kitchen appliances section. So look at the range of fry pans. So you get these plates just for 75 cents. Look at that. And I'm using these. This whole range of mugs for just 50 cents. And let me just show you the mug. This is the size of the mug. I would say it's a good size for milk, coffees. And this is for just 50 cents. I'm in the bedding section, so let's check out the prices here. So these curtains are for just 3.5 euro. If you see, all these chair pads are just for 1.5 euro. Guys, right now I am in duvet section, so if you can see behind me, let me show you duvet. This one is extra warm duvet. My friend is using this one. She bought it for 25 euro, and for double it is 40 euro. The price range differs as per the season. So right now it's summers and price range is quite high. My friend bought it for 25 euro for the double. Trust me, this one is better than the one I own. I bought it from City Center. I'm not going to name the brand here, but definitely this is worth it. You will also get food items here. So look at that. You'll get crisps. Then there is hot dog, donuts, milkshakes, everything. Here I bought each hot dog for like 50 cents. So if I talk about prices, it is very pocket friendly for food items. So guys, after Ikea we stopped by at Decathlon as they're next to each other. So let's have a glimpse of that also. This is the section for backpacks. If I say these are the cheapest backpacks I have seen here in Dublin, even this, if you feel this is small, they have the bigger one too. That is for €10. So guys, that was Ikea and Decathlon. Now we are heading towards home. That was it for today's video. If you have any student related query, you can comment down below or DM me on Instagram. I have mentioned the link in the description box below. Please do like, subscribe and turn on those post notifications. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.